Hello, Ukulele U. Today we're going to go over the tab version of The Little Drummer Boy. And I'm going to play this with a metronome, the clicker, so that we can tell where the beats are. And just so you know, for this play along, I have the metronome set at 70. I'm going to play through it at 70. And then I'm going to talk about a few things to help you practice the song so that you can get good at this. Okay, first I want to change cameras so that you can see the neck of the ukulele very clearly. And there we are. And I'll stay on this camera throughout. So the Little Drummer Boy is in a count of 4. Again, metronome is set to 70. And I'm just going to play through it one time at the rate of 70, and you can use this as a play along. And remember, in YouTube, you can slow down or speed up as you wish. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, play. Whoops, I made a mistake there. On bar 15, it's... Yeah, we played it again correctly. Bar 15, 1, 2, ready, go. And there we have it. So I'm going to stop the metronome so I can talk about a few things here. So first off, one thing to notice is when you're playing these multiple notes, many notes at one time, a lot of times you're just playing a chord. So if you look like at the beginning where you start off with just open on the 3rd string and then you play the first 3, the bottom 3 strings open, those are just the bottom 3 strings of the C chord, right? You know the C chord. So you just have to play the first 3 strings of the C chord. You don't have to finger it because we never play that note. Okay. Likewise, if you look at bar 7, and if you check on your music, each bar is numbered on this song. So that makes it easy to find bar 7. And at bar 7, we play an F chord. We play the bottom 3 strings. Okay. At the beginning of the measure. And then we take our finger off. Then we put it back on again. And then open. So that whole measure, that whole bar sounds like this. Okay. Otherwise, if you practice those multiple string areas alone first before you play the song, it'll be a lot easier when you get to them to know which notes go, which notes you have to finger, and which notes are open as you're playing. The other tip I want to give you today is about how do I use my right hand with all this. You know, I'm talking about left hand fingerings and we got the neck cam on, but what do you do with the right hand? There's 2 ways to handle a piece like this. For the right hand. The first way, and I suspect many of us will do this way, is to use the thumb for everything. So at the beginning of the piece, I play the third string open, and then I play the first three strings open, and then I finger to play the second fret on the third string. So if you watch and I play here, everything is with the thumb. And you can play this whole song like that with the thumb and it'll work. The other way you can play it, of course, is with four fingers. And this is mostly for those of us that play guitar maybe or another instrument where we already use our fingers to play. And if you play like that, then you assign a different finger to each string. Okay, so the thumb takes the fourth string, third string, second string, first string, like this. And so the beginning of the song would look like this if I play it what's called finger style. This is finger style playing. So I use whatever fingers I need to play that way. But again, if you're just starting out and you're just learning your tab, that's enough. Use your thumb for the right hand part, okay? Good luck with Little Drummer Boy. I hope you do well with it and enjoy playing it. Until next time.